Okay, this is Kim from Reality Travel. We're on our way to
Gamboa.
Gamboa.
This is the Gatun Lake, and we're gonna take a boat to go to visit the Monkey Island.
Okay, so right now we're going to go to the Monkey Island in
As well as the Embera Village.
and the Embera
Village, yeah, that's like
Embera
Embera.
Embera Village.
That's right.
So, and that is the
It's a native.
indigenous where the indigenous people live. So again, another wonderful boat ride. This is another area here. So we'll come back to you later. It's nice. They actually live on the river. Okay, so now, we're going to Monkey Island, getting on a different boat. Look at this river. We're gonna see the indigenous people. It's gonna be nice. Bueno.
His name is Almodio, and he's gonna be our guide.
Amadio. Soy Kim.
And his birthday is today.
Oh my God! Happy birthday! My birthday was yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah, sí.
Ya cumplió ayer. So let's have a seat.
Okay, so this is Kim from Reality Travel. We're on the indigenous island, traveling upwards. And this is our first stop. I should really pay attention to where I'm walking. And this is one home.
One woman
with her baby. Yeah.
Even though they live in a place like this, they are getting civilized.
Okay.
Civilized,
yeah.
because as you can see, they are building the houses now with.
Wow.
Ahora están construyendo la casa así, ¿eh?
Sí, la estructura, pero se ponen igualmente.
Flash are small like this.
This
is like islands.
I like how you said village, because you kind of caught me off guard when you kept saying village, but then I understood that your village is my village. I say village.
Village.
Yeah, so
I
kind of caught on. He said village. Okay, so he's saying village.
So it's village.
Okay.
So I want to show you that house over here. So all the houses, the way that the indigenous live, they basically like raise the house.
Okay,
they don't live on the floor.
Oh, I see that.
They raise the house. They keep everything clean, right?
Yeah.
They basically raise the house. Normally they have their hammocks inside. And for example, that's the kitchen of them. This
is the kitchen where the bricks are?
Yeah, sometimes, for example, that's like the stove over here. And over there they also have gas.
Is this for sale? Or those are beautiful?
Yeah,
the colors.
This is not made here.
Okay.
This is just a regular cloth coming from China, coming from Pakistan, but that's their designs. So they basically buy them now and use them like as a skirt.
I see they have gasoline.
They have gasoline for the boat.
Okay,
for example, that's a plant, so they have energy using that.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Over there is like a trail, but it's just like a regular trail. It has trees and all that.
Okay. And these are all their homes.
That's right. So this is just one family. As you can see, we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 or 7 houses.
Okay.
In this area.
Oh, okay.
Each house.
So they live in close approximation of each other.
That's right. And each house, we can say that they have approximately at least 4 to 5 people living in the house, like mom, dad, and children.
Okay, now what's that device there? It looks like it's
Over there?
no, this little thing here on this pole.
Yeah, like the one.
Yeah.
That's an antenna.
Oh, that's an antenna.
Yeah, probably they have inside a radio, or probably they have a small TV using the electricity. They probably watch TV too.
Okay.
They are getting like modern. Now they are
More modernized.
yeah. Oh, look at that rooster.
Yeah, I was
Very
just
fat,
out.
wow.
Yeah, I was looking at it. The colors are beautiful. That
That's the
deep
biggest
orange
rooster I have
and
seen ever.
and wow. Wow. This is their home.
All right. This is get it from the pond.
That's what they use to make those baskets.
That's right. And
Wow.
how they get these colors is because they use also material liquids to like a bleach. All right. They use something like a bleach to put it white, and then to paint it. To paint it black like this,
Yeah.
they use a different seed. They use
Okay.
a seed that also they use it to make their tattoos. Sometimes if you see their arms are painted. Now any of them have their arm.
Okay.
But sometimes they use that to paint their arms with their tattoos, you know,
Okay.
and that's how they paint it.
I like this this hut, and I'm sure they made this, right?
There is no electricity here. What they use to have electricity is solar panels.
Solar panels. Okay.
Solar panels, that's
Okay.
right. So
Solar
once
panels.
they finish,
Wow.
once they have the material to make this, for example, these baskets,
Mhm.
they don't paint that basket once they finish. They basically do all the fabrics at the moment that they are sewing this. They are, for example, they use the black one here, then they use a different color. Because sometimes the people think that once they finish, they paint it. No, they use the fabrics
The different
paint
color
already.
fabric.
Yep. So
That's nice.
it's a professional handmade.
Yeah. It's beautiful.